Housecall Pro versus Jobber versus ServiceTitan. Which one is better for your field business? Today we'll go through what each one does well, where each falls short, their pricing, and help you decide which might be right depending on your company size, budget, and complexity of operations. So first up, Housecall Pro. Housecall Pro is a field service management platform aimed at small to mid-sized service businesses. It covers core needs like scheduling and dispatching, invoicing and estimates, mobile access for text, and customer communications through texts, emails, and notifications. Their design is known for being user-friendly with drag-and-drop scheduling, real-time dispatching, and a relatively clean mobile and web app. It also offers some more advanced add-ons like equipment tracking, GPS tracking of employees, and some marketing review management tools. For many small business owners, Housecall Pro hits a sweet spot between just enough features and manageability without overcomplicating things. Some of its key features include scheduling and dispatching with drag and drop and arrival windows, invoicing, estimates and payment processing, including mobile app invoicing, customer notifications through texts and emails, customer portal and online booking, QuickBooks integration, and inventory and equipment tracking, employee GPS tracking, custom checklists, and in-app chat. Now for its pros and cons. Its pros include having a user-friendly interface. Housecall Pro is generally easy to set up and use, particularly for small teams, so adoption tends to be quicker. It's good mobile performance. Field technicians report the app works smoothly, updates in the field, and handles notifications well even in spotty signal areas. However, its advanced features are locked behind higher tiers or add-ons. To get GPS tracking, equipment tracking, or very custom reports, you'll have to pay more, sometimes quite a bit more. Pricing can escalate. As you add more users, vehicles, or special add-ons, monthly costs go up, which for some businesses reduces ROI. Jobber is also a field service business tool, targeting small to medium service businesses. Many users like Jobber for its simplicity, good scheduling, customer management, quoting, invoicing, and a clean mobile app for both office staff and field techs. Jobber aims for a balance of enough features for growth without the complexity that comes with enterprise scale platforms. Now for its key features. It has scheduling and dispatch view and calendar management. It has quoting and invoicing, payment processing, and a client portal. It has automated follow-ups and reminders for quotes and payments. It has integrations with payment platforms, sometimes with accounting software. And it has job and route optimization, user roles, client communication via app and text. Now for its pros and cons. Its pros included having a flexible pricing and plans. Jobber gives more options for smaller teams to scale, and many find the simpler plans cost-effective. It is good for basic to moderate complexity tools. The features cover what many small service businesses need without overwhelming with enterprise-level staff. However, it's less powerful for complex operations. For businesses with many techs, detailed inventory, complex dispatching rules, or specialized price books, Jobber might lack some depth, and it has some advanced reporting and customization limitations. Custom reports or deep integrations are less robust compared to Housecall Pro's higher tiers or ServiceTitan. ServiceTitan is built for large service businesses and enterprises. It is more feature-rich with a focus on efficiency, scale, and deep operational control. Key features include very advanced pricing and price books, inventory and tracking, offline mobile capability, strong reporting, technician productivity dashboards, and tools for matching jobs to tech skills. It's designed to handle complexity, multi-site operations, lots of field techs, and real-time data. Some standout features in ServiceTitan include price books with good presentation tools, and ability to show good options, such as good, better, and best in quotes. It has inventory management and banned stock and parts tracking. It has offline mobile capability so techs can continue working in low or no connectivity areas. It has advanced reporting dashboards, technician performance metrics, and non-job time tracking. It has a customer portal, online booking, work order management, and dispatching with optimized scheduling. Now for its pros and cons. Its pros include it being very powerful and scalable. If your business is large or growing, ServiceTitan gives you tools to handle scale, multi-tech, multiple locations, complex job, and detailed tracking. It has comprehensive features. From price books to offline functionality to deep reporting, you get functionality many platforms don't offer. However, its cost is high. You will pay significantly more and often custom pricing, so ROI must be justified with usage of many features. It has a steep learning curve and complexity. More features mean more setup, more onboarding, and more maintenance. Smaller businesses might find it overkill or underused features. And now for their pricing comparison. Housecall Pro starts at $59 a month. with a basic of 1 user, and up to $149 a month for essentials of up to 5 users, with the max tier custom pricing for larger teams. Add-ons like GPS tracking, equipment tracking, and proposal tools with price books cost extra. Jobber starts at around $25 a month for basic solo or small business use. Its middle to upper tiers go for up to $249 to $449 a month for more users and features. Pricing includes optional features. Some features are only in higher plans. For ServiceTitan, its prices are not publicly disclosed, generally much more expensive and targeted at larger operations with custom quotes. Its advanced tier pricing per tech and location with many features are bundled at a premium cost. Some hidden costs are also possible with implementation, onboarding, full utilization, and training. So which one should you choose? If you are a small business or a solo technician or just starting out, Housecall Pro is a great bet. It gives you many essential features at a reasonable price, with good usability and mobile performance. If you want something flexible with good capacity to grow, but still not enterprise level, Jobber might be better. It has decent features, moderate pricing, and scales reasonably. If your business is large with many technicians, complex inventory or parts tracking, or you need advanced analytics, ServiceTitan is likely the right choice. But only if you're ready to pay, manage onboarding, and put in the effort to use all its features. The bottom line, for small to medium businesses, lean towards Housecall Pro for overall value. If you expect fast growth or have special needs but don't want to overspend, Jobber is a solid middle ground. For enterprise scale, high complexity, or if you need deep control, ServiceTitan wins, but mostly for those who will use what they pay for. So which CRM are you using for your business? Let us know in the comments. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest comparisons. And see you in the next video.